Hello, what is up everyone? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. And yes, it has reached my milestone of 4 years of doing YouTube as RL57 Toys Review, and today as a tribute to the 4 years, basically I start my first video back in 2019, 25th February. As some of you may remember, I did the review of the Back to the Future Time Machine hover mode. I did a review of that, and today what we're gonna do today, basically we're going to do the monster truck version of the Hot Wheels monster truck Back to the Future Time Machine, not the hover mode, but still the monster truck. So yeah, basically what we have in front of us is the monster truck version of the Back to the Future Time Machine. And yeah, let's move on to the back. And as you can see, yes, this may be an old card, I can understand that, but still, well, it says Back to the Future Time Machine. Truck type is character 121 gigawatts. What? 1.21 gigawatts? I don't know what that means. And crash attack is out of time. I like the inclusion of out of time. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Crushable car. And yeah, here it is, the Back to the Future Time Machine, now in this monster truck form here. Now, as many of you recall, I just said it, but still I'm just gonna say it again. I did a review of the Back to the Future Time Machine a while ago. There were 2 videos. One was the first one that I uploaded. It was the Back to the Future Time Machine hover mode, where I basically opened it up and just showed it. And the previous one, there was one, the original one, the Back to the Future Time Machine. I don't remember, was that 2021 or was it, I think 2021 if I'm not mistaken. I did a review of the Back to the Future Time Machine. But yeah, this one is the time machine monster truck version, where it is in this sort of Zamac type of body color, I believe so. It kind of feels like Zamac. It has that different type of texture on the body, which I'm not entirely sure of, but still, we have it and we're gonna review it anyways. So yeah, let's take a look at the car itself. So we have chrome rims, as you can see right here. Hot Wheels, obviously the rubber tires in black, as you can see right there. And yeah, moving on to the body for the right side, basically yeah, pretty clean. It's in this type of Zamac. I believe it's in Zamac. It kinda is. You have the pipes all over here and over there and whatnot. And moving on to the front, you have the headlights right there, as you can see, that front grille, and then obviously you have the big hood right here. Yeah, I forgot to mention, it does have this front big front bumper right here, as you can see. And then yeah, you have this big square hood at the front. There's the windshield right there. There's the roof. Here's the other side if you want to see it. And then there's the back. You have the rear lights and some other stuff at the back here, obviously. But yeah, there's the base in this sort of like chrome color. And then yeah, basically this part is in black. And if I'm not mistaken, it should yeah, it is made in Thailand, as you can see right there. But overall, it seems pretty nice, and overall yeah, it is quite a tribute to my channel. My channel has basically reached 4 years, and yeah, thank you guys for the support that you have given to me throughout the years of doing diecast review for you guys, so that well, some of you may get new information, some of you can expect what's coming, and yeah, for me to review and tell you guys whether you should buy it or not, basically. And yeah, it has been reached 4 years, and it's I just hope to continue and improve better for the future, and basically throughout the whole YouTube career, obviously. But yeah, I forgot to show you basically the crushable car right here. We have this sort of like cruise boozer, I guess, in green. That's the crushable car, pretty nice. You know what, I have an idea. Let's take, hold on, let me grab it. So some of you may remember Diecasting. That was the first video I've done, the Back to the Future Time Machine hover mode that I've done back in 2019, February 25th. And here's the one that I've reviewed on 25th February 2023, which is quite a long time by now. It's nearly 4 years. I mean, it is 4 years already, but still, overall, yeah, you could kind of see it. But still, I hope I could do some improvement for maybe 2023 and also maybe 2024 for the whole future, and basically review more cars, especially Hot Wheels if I can. Maybe I'll do more Mini GT if I could. Maybe do some more diecast reviews if I can. And of course, yeah, share my opinions and whatnot to you guys, so that you guys can have my opinions, or maybe buy yourself and letting me know how it is. So yeah, there you go. That is my review of the Back to the Future Time Machine Monster Truck version. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.